Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering Basic Knowledge. Today guys, I just come with design and SketchUp Pro 2D and 3D model. I just want to, this design is done by me. I just want to work on this tutorial. Guys, this is 20 feet residential container. Size is in a centimeter. The entire size of this container, steel container, is 645 centimeter, or equal to 6.45 centimeter. And then this residential container contains WC and the bathroom and inside a room with one external door here and one inside door for this WC and bathroom. So you can see this bathroom size. Inside bathroom dimension is 105 centimeter, and this is the length for the bathroom is 234 centimeter. This is the squat toilet type. We just build the raised level for this squat toilet, 60 centimeter by 70 centimeter. This length and width. This is a shower area, and this is the sink, hand wash sink. Guys, this wall is 5 centimeter. This wall is 5 centimeter. This external and internal walls are 5 centimeter, and this door size is 80 centimeter, and this distance from corner to the door is 45 centimeter, and this external door is 100 centimeter. Guys, this area from this door to corner is 110 centimeter. This is some dimension I designed for this. The width of this container is 244 centimeter. Guys, this design, I made this design and I executed with that 20 centimeter residential container, and I'll show you the 3D module for this design. Guys, this is the 3D module for this residential containers. Guys, you can see this is our residential container, 20 feet container. This is our room. Inside the room, this inside walls are with a wooden board we design inside. This is the carpet. This is the external door, 100 centimeter. This is 80 centimeter door. This distances, this from here to here distances. This distance is 45 centimeter, and this distance is 100, I think, 10. Guys, this is the room size. I just shown the 2D plan, and this is our 3D module. This is the bathroom and water closet, and this is the door for that. Guys, this is our so let me show you the other view of this. Guys, you can see this clearly. This is our residential 20 feet containers, or it is 6 meters whole dimension is 6 meter. This is the external door. This is, you can see this is very similar to the steel containers, the side walls, and you can see the inside the bathrooms. You can see this is the shower, and this is the flush tank for the bathroom, for the toilet, and this is the drain, floor drain, and this is the electrical boiler, and this is the sink. You can see clearly here this portion. This inside the container room is the wooden board used for the roof also, and this is the tile, guys, for the bathroom and the water closet floor. And this here is the PVC wall used for the bathroom and WC, because the water here, the plywood board does not work here. We use the PVC type of wall here inside this bathroom. You can see this, the sill level of the door is higher than the bathroom floor because of the water, and this is very beautiful looks we can see here. Guys, I am gonna show you a section cut in SketchUp Pro. This is the room. This is press shift and drag it here. You can easily drag the shape or bit around. I want to see the inside the WC and bathroom. How can I see that? I just click on the section plane. Once I select it, now inside here we can select the axis. I can cut it vertically, horizontally, and any axis. I just select is like this. Now I OK, and you can rename the section also. Now I am going to select this, and I am just pressing the move tool and going like this inward. Now I can see easily the inside WC and bathroom details all by doing the section cut. See, I can very clearly see the everything here inside this WC. As I press the move tool and going like this, the entire room will be visible. If I just cut here, see this container room side, this side wall is cutted. If I further go upward, then the walls cutting this now the entire bathroom and WC is visible from here. This is very important tools in SketchUp. Just Control Z L. Yes. Now I want to see cut this plane. I want to see inside the room details. See, once I just press the section plane from this axis, I just show it. Okay. Now I use the move tool and drag it to here. See, guys, I can see the inside the room and bathroom also. From any view I can clearly see this. See, guys, this is my room, this is door, this entire wall cut it. Now I can see here inside the bathroom also everything here. Now it is visible. Again, Control Z. Now I want to see from here. I want to cut a section from here. Press the section plane and hover over this face and click OK, and press the move tool and going inside, inward and outward. You can see everything. I just drag inward and outward. Now I can see this details. See, from this face I cut it. Now I see the square types: toilet, drain, shower, and this is the boiler, and this is the basin, wash basin. See, this is the very important tools in SketchUp, guys. I hope you like this video. Guys, if you like this video, please share, comments, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you guys. In the next session I will come with another tutorial. Till that time, goodbye.